me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is officially summer, so you know what that means? It means it's time for our bodies to glow when we walk outside. Ain't nobody trying to go outside looking dusty, okay? So if you want to know what my body routine is, the products that I use so I can walk away looking like this, then let's go. Now, shout out to Walmart for sponsoring today's video. I'm going to show you how you can get everything you need for that perfect, glowing, smell good, summer-ready skin through affordable products from Walmart. Do y'all hear that? It's outside calling. You ready to go? Okay, first off, we're trying to make the body look right, but you know what you cannot forget? Your face. That's why you're gonna pick up these Buttah silky soft towels for your face. This is what a full one looks like. And I heard years ago that it's better to use something else to wipe off your face instead of a towel. I've seen people use t-shirts. I've seen people use these towels. You notice the difference on your face when you use this instead of your towel. And then you need a towel for your face, you need a towel for your body. So having these that are just for your face. Now for the rooter on your tutor to just have glowing skin this summer. I was just talking about this to y'all. I like to be a hairless cat, especially in the summer. This is the Veet Gel Cream Sensitive Hair Remover. I do get full body waxes, but I cannot do that on my arms and my back because I have very sensitive skin. So I will use a hair remover, and this is how clean, let's see. This is how clean of a swipe you get when you use that. Like, the hair is going to be gone and it's painless. So if you can't do waxing, maybe you just can't tolerate the pain that comes with waxing, you can use that on pretty much your full body. Okay, so now the hair is gone. It's time to wash your body. Before you do that, you know what you're gonna do? You're gonna scrub it. Okay, you're gonna get all the dead skin cells, all of that off you. This is from Mixbar. It's their coconut palm sugary body scrub. This smells so good, but body scrub usually always smells so good. And this is what it looks like. Once again, I have very sensitive skin, so I like that it's a scrub, but it's not too abrasive. There are some, and I know y'all have tried them, where it literally feels like you are ripping your skin apart by using it. Not this one. Maybe it's the sugary part, but this is definitely less abrasive, and you can tell when you're watching everything rinse off of you. You're like, oh, okay, I feel squeaky clean now. And I promise you, we're almost at the actual washing part of our body. But when I tell you, this is that missing step in your skincare routine. If you are trying to have that baby soft, you know how we love babies because their skin just feels so amazing, especially a fresh baby. This is what is missing from your routine for your skin to feel that way. Now, mind you, this is something that's also great for winter if you have dry skin, but this is the Dove Moisture Boost. This is a pre-cleanse shower butter hyaluronic serum. When I tell you, you almost immediately feel the difference when you put this on in the shower. So if you don't understand how this works, you're going to put this on before the body wash, body soap, whatever it is that you use. Like it says, pre-cleanse type of thing. And I've seen people who say like you should lotion up in the shower right after you're done, but like when you're not fully dry yet. So your skin's a little moist, but that's when you should put lotion on. I feel like that's what this is. Like before you even get to that part, I feel like you're putting lotion on and it's going to sink into your skin, and then with whatever body wash you put on, because some body washes you put on, they can strip your skin, make it really dry. This is just going to make sure you lock in that moisture into your skin before you wash. When I tell you, have not stopped using this ever since. Going to be permanent in my routine. Now I have 2 body washes, and I was also talking to you guys about body wash not long ago and told you that my thought process is more so the one that I use at nighttime is the one that I really want to be that cleaning body wash, and the one I use in the morning, especially since I just took a shower at night, is gonna be more of the calm, like I just want to feel clean, but it ain't gotta do too much. So the first one I use in the morning is also from Mixbar. This is the Coconut Palm Creamy Body Wash. It smells like the scrub. This also lathers up pretty nicely, and it does also kind of leave that lingering coconut smell. Y'all know I also don't typically like things in my body washes that smell too sweet or too much because I am going to use perfume later, and I do have sensitive skin, but this does just enough, and it's going to get me right in the morning time. This is what I've been using at nighttime, baby. Let me tell you, this is from Naturium. This is the Energizer Mandelic Acid Body Wash, cooling formula that deeply cleanses and neutralizes body odor. This is a body wash you use at night. this is going to clean the entire day off you. You know, when you're having a bad day and you're like, I just want to wrap it up for the day. I'm gonna go home, take a shower, soak in the tub, take a bath, and just wash every bad feeling I had away. This is going to do that. This lathers up so beautifully. This cleans your skin. You are going to be squeaky clean after you use this, but not only are you going to be squeaky clean throughout the night, when you wake up, you are still going to feel squeaky clean. So again, we talked about this for the people who, like, maybe you only do showers at night, maybe you only do showers in the morning. You'll be good with this one. You'll be good. Okay, so you've removed the hair, you've scrubbed the body, you've washed the body. Now it is time to moisturize the body again, and you're still already hydrated. We haven't even gotten to lotion yet. I'm sure you all know what this is. This is the EOS Shea Butter Cashmere Whipped Oil Butter. This is vanilla cashmere, OG product. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so good, but I love this butter because it is going to enrich your skin. If your skin is dehydrated, if your skin just, you know, sometimes you drop the ball on your self-care and your body starts to feel it, it starts to show it, this immediately will bring you right back to life. And you know, I never shied away from lotion on top of body butter, on top of body oil, and I'm still gonna do that. But if you ain't got time for all that, and again, sometimes it's just tedious and it is easy for people to fall off of their skincare, body care, you could use this and your skin's gonna be fine throughout. But we have time. So we are going to add the Vaseline. This is the Gel Oil Golden Hour Glow. It is a ultra-hydrating cocoa butter shimmering oil. Now, I go back and forth when it comes to shimmering products, but in the summer, absolutely, give me 10 of them. Maybe you would want that in the summer too. You know, sometimes maybe you would want that in the winter too, because you know, sometimes your skin gets a little dull in the winter, but especially in the summer, I am trying to be out here looking like a bronze golden goddess. And the shimmering effect is just going to add on to that. And also Vaseline, their body care products, not only are they going to make your body look good, they're going to make your body feel good. And then the last thing you are going to add to your body routine for that perfect summer glow feeling, you are ready to step outside, of course, a fragrance. Now, both of these are from Finery. So this is the new Rouge, and this is sweet on the outside. Just off the name, I knew I had to smell it. This is a sweet vanilla type of thing. And you're like, girl, another vanilla? Yes, another, because they are not all made the same. They have different notes, so they're slightly different. This is a sweet, calm vanilla. On its own, this could easily be an everyday type of thing. So if you want to add a little spice, a little something into it, the new Rouge, this is a fresh, clean, but a little spicy because it has a little bit of that woodsiness in it, and adding it in with sweet on the outside is perfect for the summer. This is the perfect outside fragrance. It's not going to be too nauseating, not going to be too distracting, but it'll still turn heads when you're outside. It can last throughout the day. And you know, sometimes it really depends on where you're going and what you're going to do with your fragrances, because if it's so sweet and it's citrusy and it's this and the third, after like the 5-hour mark, you're like, okay, like, do I still really want to smell like that? So I love a nice little calm combination that is just perfect for all day, especially if you're just going to be outside. You don't even know what you're going to do outside, but you know you're going to be outside. And yeah, y'all, that is it for my summer body care routine. Those are all the products that I use and why I just think they're all so beneficial to me walking away with my skin looking like this. You see, it's doing enough. It's not doing too much, but it's doing just enough. So all the products that I talked about will be in the description down below. Let me know in the comments what you use in your body care routine. Might need to add a couple more things to mine. Let me know all of that down below. Make sure to thumbs up, subscribe, turn notification bells, guess where? Down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.